Welcome to Masteriyo tutorials. In this video, we will learn about how to integrate Masteriyo with Zoom. Our Zoom integration simplifies the virtual classroom experience by allowing instructors to schedule and launch meetings directly from the platform. Students can access the virtual classroom, participate in live sessions, and interact with their peers and instructors in real time, all within Masteriyo plugin. First of all, this add-on is only available from the growth plan of the Masteriyo LMS Pro. After installation and activation of Pro version of Masteriyo, go to Masteriyo Add-ons and search for Zoom Integration Add-on. Then enable it. After this, next step is to get credentials from Zoom. Go to Zoom developer site. I will leave a link in the description as well. After you open Zoom developer docs, click on the Create an App button on the top right. Then you will be redirected to this page. Navigate to Develop and select Build App. If you don't find Build App, sign into Zoom first. After signing in, you have to agree on the terms and conditions of the Zoom. Agree on the terms and conditions. Then find Server to Server Oath. Click on Create. Give a name for your app. Create. Now, you will be able to find the necessary credentials to integrate the Zoom with the Masteriyo. Copy these details in a clipboard. After getting the credentials, you will have to provide access to the Zoom app for the integration. Simply click on Continue to move forward. Now, provide necessary information like company name, developer's name, and click on Continue. Now move to the scope section. Here you will have to add the required scopes related to the meeting, webinar and recording. We have added all the scopes under meeting, webinar and recording. After this, click on Done. Click on Continue and then activate your app. You will have to set the time zone for your profile on the Zoom to make this integration work. For this, log into your account and go to your profile. You will find an option called Time Zone. Click on Edit, set your time zone and save. Now the Zoom app is ready to be integrated with Masteriyo and host meetings as per your need. Let's go back to the Masteriyo dashboard. Once you have created and activated the Zoom app, you will have to add the given account ID, client ID, and client secret to the Masteriyo plugin. So from the Masteriyo dashboard, go to Zoom, then Settings. Add all the details and update. Now finally, let's add Zoom meeting on our course. For this, go to Courses. Now finally, let's add Zoom meeting on our course. For this, go to Courses. Select a course that you want to add a Zoom meeting to. Then go to Builder Settings and add a new section. Name the section as you want and click on Add. Now add a content and add new Zoom meeting. After this, you will see a meeting builder where you will have to enter the meeting's title, starting date and time, and duration at first. Then you can now publish the meeting. Here are some other options that you can set in the meeting builder area. You can find them in our documentation. That's all for how you can integrate and use Zoom integration add-on with Masteriyo. If you have any queries, you can contact our support team. Link is in the description below. Thank you for watching.